Hi everyone. In my Mozilla Firefox browser, I used to close it with notification while using multiple tabs. But now, the option has gone. I really want to get it back. So let's fix it. Come to Mozilla Firefox. Go to 3 bars. Settings. Under General tab. Make sure that Confirm before closing multiple tab is checked. Now, if I try to close it, yeah, it's asking me with notification. From now on, Mozilla will show me warning before closing multiple tabs at once. So, hope this helped you. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.